Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn. Get started with MS Word program. Installation of Office program in your computer. The first thing you need is to download and install the Office. You need to go to the Microsoft website or go to Google search and search for the program. This program has different versions of Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Office 2013, Microsoft Office 2016, and Microsoft Office 2019. You can download any version and install them in your computer. After finish installation of your Office program, you can proceed to open the program. Step by step of how to open the MS Word document. 1. Go to Start menu in the taskbar of the Windows. For Windows 10 users, you can press Start button as shown below and click Word. 2. After Microsoft Word open, you can now start typing any word as shown. 1.2. Help in Microsoft Word. To find help in Microsoft Word, you need to place F1 key or FN plus F1 on your keyboard, then the following dialog box will open as shown. Or press the Help tab button as shown. 1.3. An overview of a word. The MS Word Windows. A. File. When you click File, you will see the following dialog box. B. Quick Access Toolbar. In the Quick Access Toolbar, you will see the following when you click it as shown here. C. Ribbon tab. In this tab you will see the following: Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Layout tab, Reference tab, Mailings tab, Review tab, View tab, Add-ins tab, and Help tab as shown here. D. Workspace. In this place you write and work your idea like drawing, writing and so on as shown here. E. Document title. When you save your MS Word, the name will appear in the document title as shown here, for example Document 1. F. Windows Control. This is used for close, minimize and maximize the windows as you want as shown here. G. Search box. In this you can search anything like text, help and more as shown here. H. Vertical scroll bar and horizontal bar. There are two scroll bars such as horizontal and scroll bar as shown here. I. Options for viewing a document in Word. The following below are the option for viewing document. Print layout. Read mode. Web layout. Focus mode. Typing your first letter. Have a look at the blank page on your screen, all that white space. The first thing to notice is the flashing vertical line. This is called the cursor, or the insertion point. Its normal behavior is to flash on and off. The cursor is where all the action takes place. Try touching one or two of the letter keys on your computer keyboard and watch what happens. You should see the vertical line, the cursor, move to the right. Your letters will appear to the left of the cursor. In other words, when you tap a letter on your keyboard, the letter will appear where the cursor is. The cursor will move across, ready for the next thing you type. Before we start typing the letter below, there are three keys on your keyboard that might come in very handy: the backspace key, the enter key, and the shift key. If you have made a spelling mistake, tap the backspace key to get rid of your unwanted characters. You can also click the undo icon right at the top of Word. Here's what the undo feature looks like. Word. To get a new paragraph, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Your cursor will move down one line to the start of the new paragraph. The Shift key is held down if you want uppercase characters, capital letters. Keep the Shift key held down, then press a letter. It will then be a capital letter. You also need to hold the Shift key down to get any of the characters on top of another key. For example, to type an ampersand character, and, hold down your Shift key. Keep it held down and press the number 7, on a UK keyboard. So, time for your first letter. Type the following onto your new white page. Type it in exactly as it is, spelling mistakes included. You don't have to make your text bold, though. Dear Sir or Madam, it has come to my attention that our local council has decided to close down our one and only library. While it is true that no new books have been bought for 7 years, £12.50 was recently raised in a local raffle. This is nearly enough for an entire Delia Smith. Do you not think that your decision is a little premature? Yours truly, Mr. Alphonse. Okay, you can stop typing now. You've finished. So, how did you get on? There's a good chance that you needed to use the backspace key a few times. And finding keys like the pound sign and the exclamation point might have taken you more time than you would have liked. But this is usual when you are first starting out. It will come. Saving your work. To save your work in Word, click the File tab in the top left of your screen. You should see a menu appear. To save your document, select this PC from other location as shown above, then the document will save in document folder as shown here directly. Or go to the other location and select Browse, then the following dialog box will appear and give you the option of where you want to save your document as shown here. From the dialog box shown before, I choose to save my document in local disk, C, then click the Save button and the document is saved. File names. We now need to come up with a name for this document that we're saving. If you have a look at the bottom of the Save As dialog box, you'll see two areas, one called File Name, and the other called Save As Type. The File Name area is where you type a name for your document. Save As Type means which type of document will be. Microsoft Word documents from 2007 onwards end with the letters docx. Previously, the letters were just doc. If you sent someone a Word document with the ending docx, somebody with version 2003 of the software would not be able to open your file. Simply because previous Office versions don't know how to handle the newer format. The reverse is not true, though. They could send you a file that ended with the letters doc and you would be able to open it up in Word 2019. Microsoft Word allows you to save documents in a wide range of different formats. Click anywhere inside of the Save As Type area to see a list of the different formats. The image shows that we have Word 97 to 2003 document in the Save As Type area. The three-letter extension shows doc. The first one on the list, however, is Word document. docx, which is the one we want. Make sure this one is selected in your Save As dialog box. You can continue to work on a document that has been saved. But if you add more lines to your letter, or make any changes, you need to keep saving your changes on regular basis. You don't have to use Save As anymore. You can just click the Office button or the File tab, then click on Save. Or click on the Save icon at the top of the screen, highlighted in the image below. This will update your document. A shortcut for saving your work is to hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Keep it held down and then press the letter S. Remember to save your work on a regular basis. It's not a pleasant experience to have worked on a document for some time only for your computer to break down. When you finally get your computer to work again, if you haven't saved regularly, you'll find all that hard work lost forever, with no way to get it back. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.